So now you may be asking, why did I bother grabbing that frame in the first place? Alright, well, here's why. I'm going to turn on mask again by right-clicking, pull up the dialog, clear stencil, sketch an image. I'm going to click on the yellow color and the black color. I click on make because those are the colors I actually want selected. And those are the ones I want protected so I don't invert. And click on make. Before I did that, I should have grabbed this with a brush. So I'll turn the stencil off, grab it, turn it back on, and now I'm going to go into brightness mode and carefully place the identical version of the frame, and right click, and boom, I just added a drop shadow to everything other than the frame in my lovely HUD design.